Good morning. This weekly message is on labeling, and it comes from the 7-Minute Safety Trainer. One of the things, the standard 29, 19, whether it's 10 or 1926 construction, 1910 is general industry, by the way. OSHA requires hazard communication, right to know, and it to be discussed and understood. So, what's the real purpose? To protect the business and employees, everyone. Containers must be labeled with some sort of label. It must be readable. And signs, placards, whatever the requirement might be, up to 5 feet away. What else you need to know? A label needs to identify the chemical. What's in it? It warns of possible dangers that include the following. Physical hazards could develop if they don't handle the chemical properly, as an example. Health hazards. If you're overexposed to a chemical, all of a sudden you start having headaches, nausea, skin burns, etc. Label hazard warnings. May use words, pictures, colors, and numbers. Words may list the specific hazard as flammable, corrosive, etc. Other signal words, levels, such as danger, can cause immediate serious injury or even death. Warning can cause serious injury or death. Caution can cause serious or moderate injury, if you will. Pictures illustrate hazards. Colors, such as the NFPA, red fire, blue is health, yellow is reactivity, like battery acid, and white can be anything specific. That's the NFPA. Then you got a thing called the HMIS, that square label, and that is red is the same, blue is the same, yellow you'll see is different, and white you'll see is personal protective equipment. The numbering system on those labels, 0 to 4, of which 4 is the worst. Then you change to the new one, and I'm going to have copies of that I'm going to email, but that's the new pictogram, okay? And that's 0 to 4, of which 4 is the worst. So very critical to understand, employees to understand, because it gives signals of what to use, how to use it. People should be able to read the label and know, for that matter, what is in an SDS. Everything they need to know, from a phone number to the hazards, the severity of the hazard, chemical, personal protective equipment, storage, handling, how to treat something, first aid, telephone number, trade name, company name, everything's in it. That's my message for the week. If you have something next week, please let me know ahead of time, and we will make that a topic. With that, have a great week, make great choices, and we'll talk to you next week.